What you're about to see may shock you. The fitness industry doesn't want you to know about this affordable elliptical trainer. But I'm about to reveal the truth. Are you tired of wasting money on expensive gym memberships that don't deliver results? I know I was. But then I discovered the Wellcare Max Pro MP6066. This elliptical trainer is so effective, it's putting gyms out of business. With its adjustable resistance, LCD display, and hand pulse sensor, you can get a full-body workout in the comfort of your own home. Imagine being able to walk, run, or cycle without feeling any pain or discomfort. Imagine having the energy to play with your kids, go for a hike, or simply enjoy life without feeling held back. The Wellcare Max Pro MP6066 elliptical cross trainer makes all this possible. Its advanced features and sleek design provide a comprehensive workout experience that targets your entire body. With 16 levels of adjustable resistance, you can customize your workout to suit your fitness goals. The LCD display tracks your progress, showing you your speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. But what really sets this elliptical trainer apart is its hand pulse sensor. This innovative feature allows you to monitor your heart rate in real time, ensuring you stay within your target zone and get the most out of your workout. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting out, the Wellcare Max Pro MP6066 elliptical cross trainer is the perfect solution for you. Say goodbye to expensive gym memberships, crowded workout spaces, and tedious commutes. Get fit, feel empowered, and unleash your inner strength with the Wellcare Max Pro MP6066 elliptical cross trainer. Order now and experience the transformative power of a full-body workout in the comfort of your own home. But that's not all. This elliptical trainer also comes with a range of other features that make it stand out from the competition. These include a sturdy and durable frame that can support users up to 120 kilograms, a large and comfortable stride length of 16 inches, a high-torque magnetic resistance system that provides a smooth and quiet workout experience, a set of moving handlebars that allow you to work your upper body while you pedal, a built-in speaker system that lets you listen to music or watch videos while you work out. With all these features and more, it's no wonder that the Wellcare Max Pro MP6066 elliptical cross trainer is fast becoming the go-to choice for fitness enthusiasts and home workout enthusiasts alike. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our satisfied customers have to say. I was blown away by the quality and effectiveness of this elliptical trainer. It's been a game changer for my fitness routine. Rachel, age 32. I've tried other elliptical trainers before, but this one is by far the best. It's so easy to use and the results are amazing. Mark, age 41. I was skeptical at first, but this elliptical trainer really delivers. I've lost weight, increased my energy levels, and feel better than ever. Emily, age 28. So why wait? Order your Wellcare Max Pro MP6066 elliptical cross trainer today and start experiencing the transformative power of a full-body workout in the comfort of your own home. But hurry, supplies are limited, and we don't want you to miss out on this amazing opportunity to take your fitness to the next level. Order now and get ready to experience the ultimate in-home workout convenience and effectiveness. But here's the shocking truth. This elliptical trainer is not just for fitness enthusiasts. It's also a game changer for people with joint pain, diabetes, and other health conditions. Imagine being able to walk, run, or cycle without feeling any pain. Imagine having the energy to play with your kids, go for a hike, or simply enjoy life without feeling held back. That's what the Wellcare Max Pro MP6066 elliptical cross trainer can do for you. Don't wait any longer to transform your body and your life. Get your Wellcare Max Pro MP6066 elliptical cross trainer today and experience the power of a full body workout in the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness reviews and tips.